If you or a coworker is old enough to know what a typewriter is, you may have some bad typing habits. Typewriters needed 2 spaces after periods to make it readable. Computers take care of the spacing for you, so let's not ruin the typography. This regex will help us check for the offending spaces so we can delete them fast. We'll start with a positive look behind so we can see if we had a period before this match, but without actually selecting that period. We'll add a single space, but add a quantifier of 2 or more. And finally, we have a positive look ahead for any capital letter. Again, we use a look ahead so it matches our pattern without selecting the letter. Here's the better typography by only having 1 space after your periods. If you want more tips on how to make tech work for you, hit subscribe.